Now to an arrest for child pornography that has stunned a community in Suffolk. And tonight, we're learning more about the man police say was keeping more than 100 graphic images and videos. News 12's crime reporter Krista McNally was in the courtroom as that suspect faced a judge and joins us live with the very latest from Sayville. Krista, good evening.
Good evening. That's right. 23-year-old Daniel Forsberg, who lives in this home, was arraigned today. He is facing 2 felony charges for possession and promoting the sexual performance of a child. According to police, Daniel Forsberg had over 100 explicit videos and pictures of children. Police say they were made aware of Forsberg's alleged possession of child pornography when they got a tip from the New York State Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Suffolk detectives investigated the 23-year-old, executed the search warrant on his home, and placed him under arrest.
On these types of cases, it's important to gather all the evidence and not rush to judgment.
According to court documents, Forsberg made an admission saying, quote, "I was on Tumblr searching for pictures and videos." He went on to describe one of the videos that is too graphic to repeat. Forsberg allegedly said who was in that video and what they were doing in it. At the end of that admission, according to the court documents, Forsberg said, quote, "She was 13.
He's entered a not guilty plea. He denies these allegations.
Forsberg's attorney, Michael Brown, said his client is employed at a Suffolk real estate company and lives on North Cliff Avenue in his parents' home. Brown says they have lived there for nearly 3 decades. Neighbors on this quiet street would not speak with News 12 on camera. People in the community shocked and disturbed by these child porn allegations.
Well, I wouldn't want him around my children or grandchildren.
I find it very disturbing. These people are living in the midst of us, and no one knows.
Now, people found this very disturbing, and while we were here on scene, a car actually pulled up, and a man yelled out his window at the home. Take a look over here. You could see on their front lawn, there are tire tracks. That's because that car drove straight across the front lawn, yelling things about those child porn charges that he is facing. Now, Forsberg is facing 2 felonies once again, and bail was set at $100,000 cash or $200,000 bond. He is due back in court on March 28th. That's the latest from Sayville. Krista McNally, News 12 Long Island.